Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Amateur. I'm James. In this video, we're upgrading the headlights of my 958.1 Cayenne to a matrix style headlight, which was available and still available in the later models of Cayenne. Mine's a 2014 Cayenne S. The install's really quick. The company is called Bay Optixs. You can find them online. And I love the way they look. Let's go check it out. So here are the lights side by side, obviously, same shape and size because they're going to fit the car, the right model. These are 10 years old now. Mine's a 2014 Cayenne S. And you can see that over the years, the sunlight has really given these quite a beating. I generally park my Cayenne outside. I've only had the car for a year or so. The previous owner may have done the same, but you can see that they've really started to fog up quite a bit. That's not unexpected for cars that see a lot of sunshine, and especially over 10 years. They haven't yet gone yellow, which is nice. But after installing these, I am going to keep hold of these factory headlights. They are expensive. If I ever sell the car, I'll probably swap them back out to factory. But in a future video, I'm going to make another video showing you how to clean the headlights and how to polish them and bring them back to factory. That's going to be a lot of fun. So here, what I really like about these lights is the matrix style that comes with the more modern generations of Porsches, not just the Cayennes. But I really like the fact that it's black on black, which is going to go really well with my black car, and its nickname, Darth Vader. All right, let's get started on what might be the shortest DIY tutorial ever on Auto Amateur. First, you're going to use the Porsche provided tool that comes in the glove box or in the trunk with the spare tire to just twist and disconnect the headlight. There's just one wiring harness connected to the light. You're just going to push it in, push the tab in, pull it out, and that's it. The headlight's out. True plug and play with the Bay Optic replacement. You're just going to connect the wiring harness back up, seat the light, push it into place, and use the Porsche tool again to just fasten it and hold it secure. One thing to make sure, and this is where a lot of people get tripped up, is just to make sure the clamp is seated correctly before putting the headlight in. It's quite easy to move and knock by mistake, and here from the other angle, you can just see here, I'm twisting it around. Just make sure that it's sat flat and it's not going to get in the way of the headlight when you put it back in. This bit can be a little bit tricky, but just take your time and make sure the headlight is seated correctly and hold it in place. Then just use the Porsche wrench, twist it the other direction, and you're good to go. Now we're just going to repeat the process on the other side, and that's it. Simple plug and play. And then we're going to take a look and see these babies working. Well, let me know what you think, guys. Comments below. I love how they look. The Matrix style that came out about 6 or 7 years ago across the range in my 2014 Cayenne S. Installation, super simple. You have any questions, let me know. The company is Bay Optixs. More content coming soon for this 911 behind me, my 991.2. I've got Soul Performance cats going on, headers going on. I'm doing diverter valves and spark plugs and a whole bunch of other stuff. It's gonna be a really fun series of videos coming out during these winter and spring months. Stay tuned. See you in another video soon. Bye.